Kaboom. That thing you see in my back seat balled up like a pretzel, yes, that is called a installation board, and those are my favorite things. These are perfect if you're doing any kind of at-home DIY backdrops and you don't want to mess up your wall with tape, glue, or whatever it is that you're using. You can reuse these as much as you want. Don't ball it up or fold it in any way. Get someone with a large truck to transfer it. That way it keeps its shape and yours won't end up boneless and spineless like mine. Now, for a while, you'll be watching me struggle to get these two backdrops to stand up properly. Pretty much all I did was took some zip ties and I tied it to the backdrop that was already on the wall, and I also used some tape. After that, I grabbed some double-sided tape and I added my newspapers to the wall. Most of my newspapers came from SHEIN. They were inexpensive at that time. I don't know about now. But you can also get stacks of newspapers from the gas station or just a regular grocery store. After that, I just grabbed some paint that I already had. I decided to go with black since most of my clothing was going to have red in it and I didn't want it to be too crowded. I just added random things to the newspaper, some hearts, some dollar signs, just random stuff. Now for my favorite part. Just watch me work. Just let me do my thing. Let me vibe. Let me chill. I'm going to put on some music and I will come back when the backdrop is complete.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so fed in love. wanna hear you say my name, boy. If you can reach me, you can feel my burning flame. Feel the kind of feeling I see. Why I just might take you home with me, baby. The minute I feel your energy, the vibe is just taking over me. Start feeling so crazy, babe. Lately, I feel the funk coming over me. I don't know what's turning into me. The rhythm got me feeling so crazy, babe. Tonight, I'll be your naughty girl. I'm calling all the girls. We gon' turn this party out. I know you want my body tonight. I'll be your naughty girl. I'm calling all the girls. I see you look me up and down. And I came to party. Sexy.
Now, I wanted the floor to be seamless and completely covered in newspapers, so I did stop at the nearest gas station and get me a couple of stacks of newspapers just so I can cover the entire floor. Oops, I almost forgot. Now, I did customize my own newspapers using Canva. All I did was type in newspaper template, and they have so many options to choose from. Now, I've already made my newspapers. I'm just going through the motion so you can see exactly how I do it. So you're going to pick the one that you would like, and then you're going to hit customize template. Now, you can literally customize anything on this template, the words, the paragraphs, the pictures, whatever you want. So right now, I'm just going through to pick a picture. Now, the one that I am making now is not going to be identical to the one that's in the video. I'm just giving you guys a step by step of how I did it, just in case you want to make your own. And right now, I'm just having a little fun playing around with the wording. I really want to show you guys that you can customize these as much or as little as you would like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Ooh, and I forgot to mention, you will be customizing two of these templates, one for the front of your newspaper and one for the back. The one that I'm doing now is for the front, and then after I finish this one, I make the one for the back. Now, once you are done customizing and you have everything to your liking, you're just going to download and save this newspaper to your computer. And then you're going to do the exact same thing and make another one, but for the back side.
Tonight I am all yours, boy. When your body moves across the floor, you're the kind of feeling I see. I just wanna take you home with me, baby. The minute I feel your energy, the vibe is just taking over me. Start going so crazy, baby. Lately, I feel the funk coming over me. I don't know what's turning into me.
Now it's time for us to connect the back side to the front side. So all I did was customize a sheet to, I think what's this, 17 by 11. That's the size paper that I already had. That's what I chose, but you can do whatever size you would like. And I just added what I wanted to be the front of the newspaper to the right side and what I wanted to be the back of the newspaper to the left side. Now you want to line those up as best as possible. And there you have it. Now you can print these out at home, but something was wrong with my printer. So I ended up going to, what was it? Office Depot, and I had them printed out. I ended up getting two sizes, two large ones and a couple of smaller ones. And I got some black and white and then some in color. But yep, that's it.
I'll be your naughty girl. I'm calling all the girls. We gon' turn this party out. I know you want my body tonight. I'll be your naughty girl. I'm calling all the girls. I see you look me up look at me up and down. I know you want my body.